The next era began around the mid-20th century, and here's where the real growth in management theories took place. Writers such as Elton Mayo, Mary Parker Follett, Chester Bernard, and Max Weber borrowed from other fields like sociology and psychology and contributed greatly to management thinking. Statistical and mathematical insights were imported, often from military uses, forming the basis of the field that would subsequently be known as operations management. Later, attempts to bring science into management included the development of the theory of constraints, management by objectives, re-engineering, Six Sigma, the waterfall method of software development, and the like. Peter Drucker, one of the first management specialists to achieve guru status, was representative of this era. His book, Concept of the Corporation, published in 1946, and was a direct response to Alfred P. Sloan's challenge as chairman of General Motors. That is, how does a manager get a handle on managing a far-flung, complex organization? At about this time, something new emerged, what Drucker famously dubbed knowledge work. He saw that value created wasn't simply created by having workers produce goods and execute tasks. Value was also created by workers' use of information. As knowledge work grew as a proportion of the U.S. economy, the new reality of managing knowledge and knowledge workers challenged all that organizations knew about the proper relationship between a manager and a subordinate. When all the value in an organization walks out the door each evening, the old command and control managerial mindset no longer works. Thus, new theories of management arose that put far more emphasis on motivation and engagement of workers. Douglas McGregor's Theory X and Theory Y is an example of this kind of thinking. The two theories proposed by McGregor describe contrasting models of workforce motivation applied by managers. Theory X explains the importance of heightened supervision, external rewards, and penalties, while Theory Y highlights the motivating role of job satisfaction and encourages workers to approach tasks without direct supervision. The idea of what executives do changed from a concept of control and authority to a more participative coaching role. But now, we are embarking on a whole new era of business thinking and practice. This involves managing work done through networks rather than through lines of command, when work itself is tinged with emotions, when individual managers are responsible for creating communities for those that work with them. Given this, management theorists are once again grappling with the age-old questions. What are the new roles and organizational structures, and how should performance management be approached?